Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. There is a very common question in your mind, which language should I learn, either German or French? So today I am going to answer this question, although I have already given the answer, but still I am getting mails, so I should speak once again over this topic. Learning a language is not a difficult, whether it's a German, French or any other language. The main thing, the basic idea, the main objective is that you must have good command over the language, irrespective of any language. I am not going to favor any particular language, German, French, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, no. It's your choice. You have to make your career, you have to decide where to go. You want to fly to Germany or to France or to Portugal or to South Korea or to Japan. It's your choice. Thing is that how much capable you are. What's your command over that particular language? Let's say about German. If you know German language, you can find your way. You can find your avenue. You can find easily a job, whether in your hometown, in your home country like India or in the foreign land. It's not difficult for you because you can German very good. You can speak, you can write, you can read, you can understand. That's the basic idea. But if you have learned German, you have certificate with very good score, 80%, 90 score, but you are not able to speak. It's useless. Believe me, it's useless. There is no use of such learning unless you are able to speak. So the main thing is, whenever you learn a language, learn it properly. You must have a good command over the language. Does not matter which language you are going to learn. But still, I would say German has good options, good career option. Nowadays, currently in India, a lot of German companies have been established. So I would suggest, being a German language trainer, that you should learn German language. How you can learn, what is the criteria, what are the basics things that you must know, and how is it different from other languages, that you can find in my videos. German for beginners, I have made a playlist. Go and watch that playlist. You will find the answer. You will find it very interesting, that German is very, very interesting language and easier than any other language. Just you need to focus on that, you need to concentrate, you need to have dedication and full energy and full passion for that. Then you can definitely get a success. Success means you can speak well, you can read well, you can write well. This is the main idea behind learning a language. Again, I am saying the same thing. Your command, your capability, your ability of speaking that particular language opens door for you. Japanese, German, French, Spanish, Korean, all languages are good. All languages can bring success to you career wise. Now it's your decision which language you would like to learn, which language you find interesting, where do you find your career, in which country you want to live and work. In Germany, so learn German. In France, learn French. In Portugal, learn Portuguese. In China, learn Chinese. In Japan, learn Japanese. In Korea, learn Korean. So it's your choice. But if we look at the scenario, current scenario, mostly people learn German, then French, then Spanish. This is what I believe. This is my personal opinion. You may agree or disagree with me, but this is just an advice for all of you, those who have written to me. So this is the answer for all of you. If you are passionate about learning a language, start learning from now onwards without having second thought. Just give your 100% and then you see the result. You will find your ways. Don't worry about language, which language. It should not be the question. The question should be in your mind, how can I give my 100%? How can I increase my passion and my encouragement? How can you encourage yourself? How can you rise your motivation in yourself? That is the main thing that you should focus on. Thanks for watching. If you find it interesting, like the video, share it as much as possible among your friends, and keep watching German Class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.